Manchester United defeated Liverpool 2-1 in Saturday lunchtime's fixture at Old Trafford, and fans took to social media to praise the performance of one of their rising stars following the end of the game. The win will have strengthened their grip on second place in the Premier League, although they still remain 13 points behind Manchester City. Jose Mourinho's United side took the lead just 14 minutes into the match when Marcus Rashford opened the scoring for the Red Devils with a superb effort. The young England international then doubled the lead for the Old Trafford outfit just 10 minutes later in his first league start of 2018. The second half proved to be a nervy affair for the home side when Liverpool managed to get one back. Their goal came from a mistake by United defender Eric Bailly when he put the ball into his own net when attempting to make a clearance from a cross. Man United fans were delighted to get the win against one of their main rivals since the two clubs formed, and a number of them took to social media to praise one of their up-and-coming stars. Supporters took to Twitter to comment on Scott McTominay's performance, with some very pleased with the development the academy graduate is making. The recently declared Scotland international had a disappointing outing in their last match against Crystal Palace. However, he stepped up against Liverpool and put in a stellar display. United fans stated how they had constantly been impressed with his ability and were excited with what the future holds for the young midfielder.